who's very busy is always very tired, because or pressure or stress. And these type of people, when you take a life pack, they feel the difference. They really appreciate, hey, thank you, and now I feel better. Now I feel that I don't always get flu. Or what happens if you see somebody who's not busy, every day very free at home, relaxing,冇嘢做嘅，睇電視嘅咁，係咪好艱難啊？ Because 係咁啊，中意啊，日日瞓12個鐘頭嘅。So you must be a very good convincing power. I did that before, but you have to be really good. That's tough. Meaning now I said you're not supposed to be after taking me you're not supposed to be Superman, you know. 有啲人講，誒，先我食到好好喎，做咩突然間而家你都食咗唔好嘅？我講大佬係講你食日日食，你可以 add extra 50 kg strength of carrying weight， 係講你繼續咁樣練下咪變 Superman， 一個可以成個車都可以擔上嚟。你食你先好，但你食都逼咗你係面釘啫嘛，你係 Superman 係 human being。Okay， so 有時咧 ，that's why when you talk to a busy person or who's very tired all the time, they will appreciate because they will feel the difference. Okay, so therefore the busier the better. 啱冇先？ Okay, appreciate 嗰啲日日冇嘢做嗰啲就好艱難㗎啦。Unless 你可以 convince actually life pack is a product for long-term health protection, because your health really give you problems at a later stage, not now. Do you notice that in Malaysia, most of the people, I think easily more than half of people above 50 years old have diseases going on. 如果 survey among friends 超過50歲係咪？唔係甜糊啊、心臟啊、血壓高啊，好多嘢㗎。 過50歲做咩要咁樣㗎？做咩我哋人啊生活唔要講？做咩唔要講過咗50歲、60歲maybe 80% healthy 嘅咧？做咩 more than half 咁樣嘅？有冇意思個 more than half 咁樣啊？可能你係其中一個係咪？係咪咁諗啊？做咩咧？See, you must not explain. So that's why the busier the better. Sometimes people who are not busy, you got to tell them this type of fact that this is maintenance, not necessarily 俾你一個 energy boost 嘅。 This is harder to sell, harder to share, you understand? But I always teach you the easier one, the faster effect one. That means you go to cases where people really like a vacuum, they already want it, waiting for you to deliver it. Okay? Okay, the busier better. Working in business class, businessmen or working people, why? Why you need this type of people? Affordability, right? Okay? If this guy is very sick, really want, but 冇錢點樣啊？ 冇叫你夾去簽嘢樓嘛，冇啊，唔得。So your selection must be make sure the person is working, okay, or a business person. That means 佢有能力食嘅。Okay, this is very natural. And then I say, of course, health conscious. People care about health. Okay, I know there are some people who are very stubborn. They'll say that 我食飯啦、食菜啦、食 fruits 啦夠啦，日日去 exercise 啦。你酒啊飲到好醉嘅，都唔理嘅。邊有嘅？ 飲酒啊 ，don't mind drinking $1,000-2,000 on drinking per night, but don't care about health. 有嘅。So you must choose those who are really health conscious, or to your best knowledge is health conscious. And then of course your health problems means you know that 拜拜見到呢個人係傷風嘅，哦，突然間又唔知咩事，但係食緊咩藥嘅，突然間睇醫生好多，一直睇醫生嘅，喉嚨痛嘅咁嘅。So if you can categorize in your name selection list. Okay, the last column there, age, let's say age, okay, busy people, okay, working, that means dollar sign can afford, health conscious care, problems care. If you can put the most number of tick, list out the one with the most highest range of this, then you approach Nico and say, okay, Nico I will call name list selection. I say, 你有咗 name 咗嗰陣時咧，而家就叫 approach 㗎啦。 點樣 approach? How do you approach your prospect, and how do you open to them about proposing life pack? Okay, now 我嘅 theory 係咁樣嘅。通常咧 life pack 係一個好 simple 嘅啦，你唔好講到咁複雜，都 make it so complicated。你已經有 knowledge 咗啦，呢個係做乜㗎 ？Finance 好勁 ，product knowledge 好勁。你學呢啲嘢做乜㗎？係咪學呢啲一見到人同人講啊 ？No。 你學呢啲嘢咧，就做你嘅 protection， 你嘅 support background 好強嘅 background，is to give you confidence。你學呢啲嘢係 overcome objection 嘅，唔係學嚟同人哋講你知嘛 ？Okay，you learn this one，you must make sure you're very good And then references also very good. It's for your protection. That means in case they try to close a person explain 咗咧，佢 throw 嗰啲 objection 出嚟咧，你用呢個嚟同佢 overcome objection，係咁啫。你用嚟 defend 嘅，唔係用嚟講嘅啫嘛，明白冇 ？So when you approach people， 睇一件事 of course 啦，我有一個simple例子咯嚇，幾多人哋點啊好啊，好耐冇見。You can just simply walk into somebody's house, okay? Press the doorbell, a friend sit down. My concept is, if you start opening your mouth on light pack, you don't close it within 20 to 30 minutes, you will have a hard time already. So how much can you say in 20 to 30 minutes? You see all these farming scientists, join Beijing University, and this product population, can you do like that in 20 to 30 minutes? Then how many minutes you left to close? Nothing. Normally, the attention level, you must close within 20 to 30 minutes. So what you do is, when you approach somebody, okay, you do storytelling. Very simple storytelling. 傾下朋友就你冇嘅，by the way, do you know how a body works 啊？嚇咩 ？Really how story 嚟㗎嘛？聽下點樣咩？你認為點樣 ？OK，I basically 係咁樣嘅。我而家我學到啲嘢人 train 我啦，我哋 body 好 simple 係咁嘅。係講我哋 body 啦，通常係講我哋 body 啊，係一個 survival system 嚟㗎。我 body 入邊咧 ，we are born survival with a very very good system in our body that's running naturally. So if the body is very healthy, very simple words. If your body is very healthy 你係咪覺得嗰個人好 healthy 嘅咧？通常係好多 energy level 好高㗎。Okay, when you approach people who are very busy, very tired, very old, you will think my energy is not like last time. Because you already shortlist your friends, okay? You go. Your energy level is very high. If your body is healthy, normally energy level is very high. And based on science discovery nowadays, that 係講你 energy level 好高咧，你 healthy body 你嘅 immune system 都好高嘅，大家講明啊？係講你 immune system 好高咗嗰陣時咧，你有咩 problem 都好，有乜嘢infectious diseases， 你嘅 chance of defense natural defense 係好高。Then if in the unlikely event 咧，一個人放病啊咩咧，係咪？佢 recover 都好快 ，recover faster， 係咪好簡單？係咯。不過我覺得近來好似未必 energy level 都唔係咁好啊，咩啊，好啦，傾下偈，大家朋友咯。So that's why the last 1 year plus or last few months I've been taking this product, which is from the US. It's a very good product that can make sure that it gives you what your body needs and to make sure you're healthy. Because when your body